Hello, my name is Navpreet Singh Randhawa. My student ID is DY39161. Today I'm going to present the presentation on the individual assignment of corporate accounting. So, what are the features of the accountant in a company? Now, he has to provide information to the users, a result of ascertainment of transactions of systematic recording, determine the conditions of the financials. So the main aim is to provide all the information which is important for the decision making to the users. This is about how to see profit and the loss statement which is done in a particular time. This is providing and maintaining the data in a systematic way which is used to maintain all the transactions of the company. This is the duty of the accountant. So the company's financial can be determined. Okay, moving on to the account, what are the responsibilities that an accountant have? Like a bookkeeping, accountant preparation of tax, financials and insurance, company's management, skills to doing analytics, solid organization skills, and so on. Now, an accounting department is a corporation which is managed by a corporate accountant of the company who is well experienced in his field too. Corporate accountant is responsible for ensuring that all the tax and laws policies are compiled duly and correctly. According to the Department of Australia, the areas which in a corporate accountant work includes bookkeeping, accounting, preparation of taxes, and so on, as you can see. Now, what roles does an accountant play in a company? Accountant is very important for a company because he takes care of all the finance of the company. So like information, he provides the information to the users. He does the systematic transaction recording of the transactions so company can see how the things are going. He also determines the condition of the financial informations. So the financial state of the company includes the balance sheet of the company, the cash flow statement of the company, and the company statement of the income are all covered in the records. Now, coming to the company that I've selected in e-commerce, that is Woolworth. Now, Woolworth's company's equity and liabilities. The amount of equity which is total reported in a financial year in 2019 was about $10,484, and in the financial year 2020 it was $9,032. So the balance sheet of the organization's Woolworths Limited presents object in equity and reserves. The contributed equity and reserve earnings. Values of the total equity of the company was decreased because of the various shareholders had withdrawn their capital that they have invested in the company. That can be because of the COVID situation, which definitely had a lot of impact in a lot of business in the whole around the globe. So many companies have faced loss. Coming to the comparative analysis of the company. Now, the profit of the company in the year 2020 includes after tax is $1,209, and in the previous year 2019 is $2,758. This overall, the company has an accountant to maintain their balance sheet, which is used to return in the tax file. Now, the company statement, which shows the company's profit and the loss, are in the company and the balance sheet of the company. That is not the part of the association other than the total income of the statement, and some of the items are not definite directing the annual report for the company, which is made by the accountant. Now coming to the next part, it is associated financial statements. So In the period of 2020, the total comprehensive is $151, and the period in the 2019, the total comprehensive was $2,836. This is displaying the data which is in 2020, and the total income is as mentioned, and also the period of the 2019 have the total income which was $1,636. Now the statement of the profit is not there, and the company faced the loss from the total income of the company, which is less from the previous year. The profit or the loss statement comes into the report, which is the statement of the revenue and also represent the sale of the company. Now, as we can all see, like how important an accountant is to a company. So this was my presentation, and these are all the references that I have used in this presentation. And thank you so much for your time. Have a good one.